So I'm out here in Lothian, Maryland at this place called Gypsy Fair. It's an antique shop. So let's check out inside, shall we? Y'all know I like antiquing. That's a new pastime. So here we go. Hopefully they let me tape. Very nice. It's clean and simple. And I like the whitewash on it. Very nice. There's lots of treats for the eyes, I tell you. Alright, let's kind of go through it real quick. Even these right here, these privacy shutter doors, both $4.95. Gotta come back here and buy. Excuse me, guys. Look at this right here. It's kind of cool, huh?
Yeah, so we passed it on. Tom and I went by, Kathy was there.
This little bird cage. Really neat, huh? That's neat. Look at this. Beautiful. Even this is nice. Little planter stand. Probably get this and put it up on the deck. Yeah, I'll get this. Some really nice pieces in here. Look at this. It's beautiful. beautiful. Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah. Very nice. So initially I came in here for a trellis. A nice ornate trellis for the veggie bed. These are nice too. I think I'll get all of these plant stands. There's another planter. And here's what I was looking for. My obelisk. So I found my obelisk for my tomato. I'll get that. Shout out to Patty. There goes the finials you were looking for. Very nice. I'm about to clean them out. I'm about to clean them out. So I totally found some stuff that I can use. Look at this. Isn't that freaking beautiful? Look at this. Well crafted. Well crafted. Yep. Sure is. This guy here is nice. Alright, I better hurry up and get my obelisk and get out of here before somebody else buys it. Look at this. It's crazy. This place definitely deserves a second and a third visit. And here goes some plant stands. Very nice. Look at this. Isn't that funky and awesome? Look at that. That is nice. Nice. Decorative art you could put on the fence. Or you can, kind of create an ambiance in your garden space. Very nice. $30. $42. Not bad at all. Little gizmos and stuff, Just neat stuff. I had no idea this place existed. No idea. Okay, I'll kind of go around the other side here. I think I found my living room table. Or my dining room table here. $18.95. It's beautiful. Solid. Well made. And check out this light box. The glass is so clean, I stuck my hand right $239. Nice. Look at this. It's a little gaudy, this column. Huh. Look at this. Put a nice, charming little planter in here.
Yes.
All right, let me go get that obelisk before somebody else gets it.
Hey, what's going on? How you doing? Good to see you. That's my roommate Nick. How you doing, Mark? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That's my wife, actually. You guys find good? Always. Actually, for co-worker. Okay. Oh, you got you? I found this one. I was like, I'll walk in.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, for the third time, let me go get that obelisk before somebody else grabs it.
Perfect for what we're
Yep.
going to be,
Beautiful. Beautiful.
If I'm not able to talk about it.